Hello kids! I'm Thricey. Today, we're going to learn addition using balloons. Let's begin. Here are 7 red balloons, and 6 blue balloons. Let's count the red balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now the blue balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When we put them together, we count all the balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So, 7 plus 6 equals 13. Now let's add 5 green balloons and 9 yellow balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 5 plus 9 equals 14. For our final addition today, we have 12 balloons. And 8 more. When we count all of them together, we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So, 12 plus 8 equals 20. Great work today! You added numbers all the way to 20. Thanks for learning with me.